friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to see one of my cute bird videos. Come on, see them. Here's my bird. It's so cute. My bird eating the millet. He likes nuts so much and he don't have something to sleep, but now we do. You know the bird named Billy. And play with the bell. He's so funny when his tongue goes like that. Well, this is so cute, but he's so angry. Hey, look at that. He's playing with the rattle. He has a good playground to play. Birdie boy, inevitable. Look, and here's my bird trying to step up, but he's too scared and bored, ignored. Bandita. Inge böyle kiyotaka. Thank you, bye-bye. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the